In this video, I will explore the 7 best AI robots that can help you make a lot of money online. These robots offer unique features and capabilities that can greatly enhance your online earning potential. I will also discuss how you can potentially make over $120 per day using these bots and focusing on robots that you may not have heard before. Without any waste of time, let's dive in and discover the exciting possibilities of AI in the online money making world. Number 1. Flicky, which is an AI video creator. Flicky is an AI bot that allows users to generate videos without the need for manual editing. This powerful tool simplifies the video creation process, making it accessible to individuals without extensive editing skills. With Flicky, users can create videos without the need for time-consuming editing. The AI bot automatically generates videos based on the user's input, saving them valuable time and effort. This feature is especially beneficial for those who want to create videos quickly or do not have access to professional editing software. Flicky allows users to generate videos from ideas or scripts. Users can simply provide a prompt or a script, and Flicky will create a video based on that input. This feature is particularly useful for video content creators who may struggle with video ideation or script writing. How you can make money with Flicky AI. Videos created with Flicky can be monetized in various ways. YouTube channel. You can start a YouTube channel and upload videos created with Flicky. By consistently uploading high quality videos, users can attract an audience and monetize their channel through ad revenue, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Social media marketing. Flicky generated videos can be used for social media marketing campaigns. Businesses can leverage these videos to promote their products or services on platforms like Instagram, Connect You, Facebook, or TikTok. Selling video services. Users can offer their services as video creators using Flicky to generate videos for clients. This can be a lucrative opportunity for individuals with video editing skills, but limited in time to manually create videos. If you're getting any value from this video, please hit the like button in order to support me to keep making videos like this for you. Also subscribe and click on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever I publish a new video. 2. PlayHD, an AI voice cloning bot. PlayHD is an AI bot that specializes in creating incredibly realistic audio files that sound almost identical to a real person talking. The level of realism is so high that it is often indistinguishable from human speech. With PlayHD, users have a wide range of pre-made voices to choose from. What sets PlayHD apart from the other text-to-speech tools is that these voices are not robotic. They are clone voices from real people. This means that the audio files generated by Play.ht have a human-like quality that is unmatched by other AI tools in the market. To give you an idea of how realistic these AI voices are, let's take a look at this example. By selecting a voice such as Sarah and using a sample script like a quotation, Play.ht can generate a voice that sounds incredibly lifelike.
Monetize your content, even if you have 0 followers and from anywhere in Africa.
The audio file is so realistic that you will never guess it was created by an AI bot. One of the most impressive features of Play.ht is its ability to clone your own voice. By uploading a collection of your own audio files, Play.ht can create a voice clone that sounds just like you. This can be useful for creating personalized content or maintaining a consistent brand identity on platforms like YouTube. There are several ways you can make money with Play.ht. One option is to start a YouTube channel that relies heavily on scripted content. You can use one of the pre-made voices from Play.ht in your videos or create a clone of your own voice to maintain a consistent brand image. Another option is to create a voice clone and sell them on platforms like Fiverr. This allows you to offer voiceover services without having to record a new voiceover for every project. You can only imagine how much money you can make from this. 3. Steal GPT. an AI text generator. Steel GPT is an AI bot that specializes in generating high-quality AI text-generated content. Unlike traditional text generators, Steel GPT produces content that is undetectable by plagiarism or AI detectors, making it a valuable tool for content creators. Using undetectable AI-generated content offers several advantages. Firstly, it saves time and effort by automating the content creation process. This allows content creators to focus on other aspects of their online ventures. Secondly, the content produced by Steel GPT is indistinguishable from human-created content, enhancing the professionalism and credibility of online platforms. This can lead to increased engagement and audience retention. There are several ways you can make money with Steel GPT, and I will highlight the most important ones. Number 1. Start a blogging business. Steel GPT can generate high-quality articles for your blog. Bloggers can attract traffic, build an audience, and monetize their blog through ads, sponsorship, and affiliate marketing. If you want to learn how to leverage the power of affiliate marketing in making money from your blog, I highly recommend you watch the video I will link in the description below. The second way you can make money with Steel GPT is to sell writing services. Content creators can offer their services as freelance writers using Steel GPT to generate high-quality articles for clients. By leveraging the capabilities of Steel GPT, writers can provide unique and valuable content to their clients. Writers can utilize the power of Steel GPT to generate AI-written scripts for YouTube videos, podcasts, or online courses. They can also use Steel GPT to create social media posts, email newsletters, or website copy. The versatility of Steel GPT makes it a valuable tool for content creators in different niches. 4. Hen, which is an AI video cloning tool. Hen is an AI video cloning tool that allows users to create realistic video clones of themselves or other individuals. This powerful tool uses deepfake technology to generate videos that appear as if the person in the video is saying or doing things that they never actually did. One of the main capabilities of Hen is the ability to create personalized video messages. By uploading a collection of video clips, users can create a video clone that looks and sounds just like them. This can be useful for sending personalized messages to clients, customers, or fans. For example, if you sell a product online, you can use Hen to create a video clone that thanks customers for their purchase and provide additional information or support. Hen can also be used for product promotion. By creating a video clone, users can demonstrate or endorse their products in a visually compelling way. The video clone can showcase the features or benefits of the product, increasing its appeal to potential customers. Additionally, using a video clone can save time and efforts, as users can create multiple promotional videos without having to shoot new footage every time. Hen opens up new business opportunities by allowing users to offer video clone services. Users can leverage their expertise with Hen to create video clones for their clients, such as businesses or individuals who need videos for their professional services, or individuals in need of professional videos. As many people may not have the time or resources to create high-quality video content themselves. Furthermore, Hen's recent addition of the Translate feature provides even more possibilities for expanding business opportunities. Users can now create video clones in different languages, allowing them to reach a larger audience and cater to international markets. This opens up avenue for global collaborations, partnerships, and customer engagement. 5. Descript, which is an AI video and audio editor. Descript is an AI video and audio editor that revolutionizes the editing process by using transcriptions as the basis for editing. With Descript, you can easily edit videos and audio files without needing advanced editing skills or knowledge. Descript takes a unique approach to editing by utilizing transcriptions. When you upload a video or an audio file to Descript, it automatically transcribes the content, creating a text-based interface interface for editing. This allows you to edit your content just like you will edit a text document. With this script, you can easily edit your videos by simply editing the transcripts. You can remove or arrange sentences, delete or add paragraphs, and make any other changes you need. This script will automatically update the corresponding video or audio file based on your edit. This script simplifies the editing process by eliminating the need for complex editing software and techniques. With its intuitive text-based interface, you can quickly make edits and see the results in real time. This makes editing video and audio files more accessible to individuals without extensive editing experience. Firstly, it saves time and effort by streamlining the editing process. Instead of spending hours editing videos or audio files manually, you can make changes quickly and efficiently using this script text-based interface. Secondly, this script allows for easy collaboration and version control. Multiple users can work on the same project simultaneously, making edits and leaving comments. This makes it easy for individuals or teams working on content creation projects. Lastly, this script provides advanced features like voice-over recordings, automatic subtitles, and audio effects. These features enhance the overall quality and professionalism of your video and audio files. If you're getting any value from this video, please hit the like button in order to support me to keep making videos like this for you. Also subscribe and click on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever I publish a new video. 6. WriteSonic, which is an AI photo generator. WriteSonic offers an AI photo generation tool called PhotoSonic. This tool allows users to generate AI photos or virtually anything using a text prompt. The AI generated images are of high quality and can be used for various purposes, including creating eye-catchy thumbnails, logos, channel art, and social media images. Using WriteSonic's PhotoSonic is simple. Once you sign up for an account, you can access the PhotoSonic tool. You can then enter a text prompt such as description or idea of an image and click generate. WriteSonic's AI will then create multiple images based on your prompt. Many useful YouTube channels such as D2 use AI generated images in their thumbnails. These images follow a specific style and often attract viewers' attention. With WriteSonic, you can generate AI images for your channel's thumbnails, making them look professional and engaging. Additionally, you can create AI logos for your channel or clients, offering unique and visually appealing branding. You can use these images on platforms like Instagram, ConnectU, TikTok, or Facebook to promote your products or services. The high quality and visually striking nature of AI photos can help increase engagement and attract potential customers. How to make money with WriteSonic? If you have a talent for creating AI generated images, you can offer your services on platforms like Fiverr. Many content creators, businesses, and individuals are in need of high quality graphics for their online presence. You can provide valuable or visually appealing images to clients. 7. OpusClip, which is an AI short-form video creator. OpusClip is an AI bot that specializes in generating short-form videos from long-form content. With OpusClip, users can easily convert their YouTube videos into bite-sized clips that are perfect for platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. OpusClip simplifies the process of creating short-form videos. All users need to do is to drop a YouTube link into OpusClip and click on Get Clips. OpusClip would automatically generate multiple clips from the long-form video, each lasting 60 seconds or less. These clips are optimized for short-form platforms, ensuring maximum engagement and reach. How you can make money with OpusClip AI. Short-form videos have gained popularity on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Short, offering an opportunity for content creators to monetize their videos. With OpusClip, creators can promote digital products through affiliate affiliate marketing. By finding a high-paying affiliate program on platforms like Digistore24, creators can include the affiliate link in the video description or comments, earning a commission for every sale generated through their videos. OpusClip videos can be a powerful tool for promoting digital products. While AI robots offers numerous benefits and opportunities, it is important to consider its limitations when incorporating AI into your online money-making strategies. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos on how to make money online. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.